Let's get right into this video. I'm taking my babies to the beach today, so I decided to do a nice glowy beach lightweight makeup look. This e.l.f. Illuminating Primer is absolutely amazing. It feels like butter going on your skin. I love this nice little sheen and glow it gives, and it just feels amazing as you rub it in. And you can see the little highlight it's giving me already. I put it everywhere. Next, I'm going to spray my face with this Make It Last by Milani. It has SPF 30 in it. A lot of the face products I'll be using today do have SPF in them. Spray this all over your face and let it set. I'm fanning with my lashes because I don't know what I did with my battery-powered fan, so this is fine. It's getting the job done. You want this completely dry before you go in with your Tinted moisturizer, which is what I'll be using today. So I have my NARS Tinted moisturizer. This is Marrakesh. This also, of course, has 30 SPF in it. You don't want heavy makeup at the beach, so this is a very light look. Everything on my face is going to be super light. I'm going to take my beauty blender. I have put the makeup on my hand so I can have nice and even coverage. And I'm just going to start on the forehead and work my way down. This is not a full coverage foundation or anything like that. So you'll still be able to see some blemishes, but this is giving you some coverage. And like I said, it's giving you that protection with the SPF in it. This is buildable. You can do however many layers. I wouldn't recommend going over 3, but I am just going to do 1. Next, we're going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is definitely a dupe for the Too Faced concealer. It is so thick and creamy and gives amazing coverage. I'm not using as much as I normally use, just a small swipe underneath the eye. And I'm just going to create like a triangle with this, just for a little coverage under the eyes. I'm also going to bring it up and use it as an eyeshadow primer. So I've got my concealer blended. Now I'm ready to set with the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Setting Powder, my favorite. Just going to take a brush this time, not the triangle wedge, and just set all of it in. I'm gonna put this everywhere, all over the face. Make sure you're tapping off the excess before you go in. Now let's bring some color back to the face. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronze Duo Bronzer Palette in the shade Tan. I'm going to take that deepest color, use the same powder brush I used for the Laura Mercier to set the concealer and everything, and just go along the outer rim of my face, kind of using it as a contour as well, across the forehead, just to bring that kind of bronzy look to my beach day look. It's very subtle. Again, this is something you can build the color up, build up the coverage. I want to keep everything subtle and light. You don't want your face sticky at the beach. Now I'm taking my KKAO Beauty highlighter palette and I'm using a gold shimmer shade in that. And I'm just going to pop that on my eyelid along the bottom. I'm not going to go all the way up to the top, but I'm going to go past my crease line and just keep it light and fresh. Kind of give it a more of a summertime glow. Now in that same palette, I'm using one of the lighter shades for my inner corner. This is a different shade of gold, just for more highlight. I'm going to place this on my nose as well and on my upper cheekbones. This is a clean eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to blend this in so the colors kind of run into each other and they look nice, natural, and smooth. There is no makeup look to me that does not require mascara. I love this one. This is L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara in the blackest black. Of course, I do the inside lashes first and then the outside. I will be wearing a half lash with this look, so I'm paying extra attention to the lashes closer to the inner corner. Because on the outer corner, of course, will be the half lashes. So while I'm waiting for my lash glue to get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and get these brows together. I'm just using a brow spoolie to make sure they are tamed and going in the same direction. I am brushing them upward. Now I'm going to take my lash glue in dark brown by NYX just to lock them in place. This also helps shape as well, and it's just going to lock them into place. Now a brow pencil would probably melt in the sun, so I'm using this brow pen by Milani. It's called Weekend Brow. You need a very, very gentle hand to use this. I probably should have my hand a little further back, but I absolutely love how this goes on, and it gives you such realistic hair-like strokes, and I'm obsessed with it. Beautiful. Just a nice gentle feel. It looks so realistic, and this pen isn't going anywhere. Like it's locked in. It doesn't rub off. So for the lips, I'm going to do a nude brown lip. It's going to be matte. You don't want a lot of gloss with the, bugs flying around, sand flying around. You don't want sticky lips. So we're going to do a matte nude brown lip. I'm going in with a brown lip liner. Now I'm going to blend that in so the line is nice and smooth. Then I'm going to take my Juvia's Place matte liquid lipstick and apply that. I love this nice brown color. It complements my bronzer and the gold shadow I have going on. Now that my lashes have gotten tacky, I'm just going to pop those on. Look down into a mirror and you can just place them on top of your lashes. This lash glue is by Duo. And I just love the shape half lashes give my eyes. It's nice almond shape. So now that we've got our other lash on, this look is complete. Very nice and natural. I'm gonna set it in with my One Size On Till Dawn, and it will be. Setting spray, make sure you get a nice layer of it. Let it set. And we're done. What do you guys think of this look? Let me know in the comments. Light, natural, and let's hear it for this bob. Stiff wear. All right, enjoy your day. Bye.